Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Investment Pro. Today we are discussing Stellar Lumens XLM price predictions protocol 17 update. As a disclaimer, I'm not a CPA, legal or financial advisor. This channel is for entertainment and education purpose only, but at the same time I do want to disclose to my viewers that I do have a position in XLM and that is my long-term position. A few days back, Stellar tweeted out that they're gonna do the Stellar network upgrade to protocol 17. This protocol has a number of features that will benefit the Stellar network itself, and eventually, it will also help on the price of XLM. There are two key dates to remember. Back in May 4th, Stellar did a testnet upgrade, and the testnet is currently running on a protocol 17. Today, they are doing a public network upgrade vote. If this vote goes through, Stellar network gonna use the protocol 17. The protocol 17 introduces a new feature that opens up new possibilities for issuing regulated assets on the Stellar network. If passed, it activates an asset clawback mechanism that advances the ability of Stellar to comply with securities regulatory requirements in major jurisdictions. The new feature will allow asset issuers or transfer agents to revoke their assets in certain situations. So what does it mean by clawback mechanism? Protocol 17 introduces operations that allows assets issuers to maintain tighter control over how their asset is distributed to the world. Specifically, it gives them a power to burn their asset from trust line or claimable balance, effectively removing it from the recipient balance sheet. In order to update to protocol 17, you will need to follow certain steps or a guide. First of all, the Stellar infrastructure node operators need to install the latest version of Stellar Core or Horizon. For setup specific details, see the sections below. Stellar Core version 17.1.0, Horizon version 2.3.0. For developers that uses the SDKs, you'll have to have a minimum SDKs versions as explained below. If you run Horizon, upgrade the Horizon to version 2.3.0, which has a full support for protocol 17. If you run a Stellar Core, upgrade to the Stellar Core version 17.1.0. If you don't upgrade, then the previous versions of this protocol will throw an error. If you have a custom Stellar integration, you are using Stellar, but you're not using a Stellar SDK, you will likely need to manually update your code. As we speak, the Stellar public network just successfully upgraded to protocol 17, and the protocol 17 is live on Stellar network. From technical analysis standpoint, since this morning, the price of XLM USD has been increasing and currently is plus 8%, and it's currently running at 43 cents. On top of upgrading to protocol 17, Stellar roadmap for 2021 seems to be awesome, and this vision is supported by three strategic pillars: support the robustness and usability of Stellar, help Stellar be the blockchain people know and trust, foster and develop sustainable Stellar use cases for cross-border payments, and securitized assets. The vision for Stellar and the ecosystem can only be achieved by focusing on technology, ecosystem, policy, brand, and the use case development. So the vision for Stellar seems to be awesome. They're gonna work on these strategic pillars, and based on these and protocol 17 update, I see Stellar to be the big in next coming year, or by this end of this year. I'm seeing Stellar to be somewhere $1 or above. Okay guys, these are my updates on protocol 17 and Stellar roadmap for 2021. Based on these achievements and the strategic plans, I expect Stellar to do a good in the future, and hopefully by end of 2021, Stellar to be the key player for cross-border payments. Alright guys, so let me know your thoughts. If you're holding Stellar and if you plan to have a position in Stellar, let me know. Thank you for watching. Take your time. Bye.